I want to show you two other things you can do with Google AdWords. First, for example, if you did a Google search for bicycles for sale, let's say this is one of the keywords you pulled from the keyword planner we just talked about, and you find a website, right? Because these are the top 10 results. This is where you want to be for these search terms. So if you find a website in the first page of the results, you can take the URL of the website after you've checked it out, see if it does have to do with whatever your business is about. You're going to go to adwords.google.com like you did before. You go down to the keyword planner, and you get these 4 options again. And you click search for new keyword and ad group ideas. And then you can put in your competitor's landing page here. You can also do this with yours if you want to figure out which keywords are found most on your site. But if you're looking at your competitors because you're not in the top 10 yet, you can put in their URL and then put in the negative keywords, right, just in case, like we mentioned last time, motorcycles. We don't sell motorcycles. And now you're going to get ideas based on the things that they have on that page, right? And you can do this for several different pages of your competitors' sites. So if you're trying to create a post or sell something specific, you could look for the top 10 results for that topic, put their pages in here, and see how you might write your page up a little bit better to gain on them in the search results. So here you get all these ideas for keywords based on that web page. You can see it by month here. Now the other thing I want to show you is called the display planner, and this is for YouTube ads but also mobile ads. And this is not as well known because Google just changed it. YouTube used to have its own little AdWord planner thing, but they've kind of added it to this display planner now. And this is in case you're planning on advertising visually, meaning with video on mobile search. And you can do the same things. You can put in a keyword or you can put in a landing page, and then you click Get Ad Group Ideas. So we did BMX, bicycles, and accessories. And as you can see, I mean, sometimes you're going to get things about autos, right? That's not going to be relevant to your search. We tried to exclude motorcycles. But if you click on keywords, you're going to get even more ideas for things. Under the contents, you get how many impressions, you get gender information, the device they're using, a lot of detailed information about these keywords. So you might try a different idea, bicycle safety. So then you get different topics. You can click on individual targeting ideas, and this will give you even more keywords, and it'll also give you a meter based on the relevance of those words and the historical cost per click, also the impressions per week. You know, it's just about coming up with as many ideas as you possibly can, and then narrowing it down based on what's getting you the most searches, the most conversions on your site.